We are extremely excited to have American Furniture Warehouse with us today, volunteering in Denver and some of our other warehouse distribution center locations. In fact, the warehouse that we are sitting in today, we were helped with the purchase of that by a matching gift from American Furniture Warehouse. The team will come volunteer annually. We have staff from a bunch of the different stores here with us today, and they're helping us sort donated medical supplies. We were founded in 1987 in an evergreen garage. Fast forward 34 years and we're now the world's largest distributor of donated medical relief and supplies to under-resourced countries all over the world. Project Cure has saved lives all over the world, and it's nice to think about that even though you may never meet those people, the work that American Furniture Warehouse and the support that they've given us over the years has really done incredible things.